Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can port forward your router for Minecraft, assuming you'll be hosting your Minecraft server on your own computer. This is a different process for pretty much everyone, but I'll be going through the principles of how to do it, and I'll give you some guides thereafter. So first we need to find out how we can access our router. So we'll just do Windows button plus R. This is going to open this one. I'm just typing CMD. This will open a command prompt where we'll be typing in the command ipconfig. After typing in this, we'll get some new information. What we will be looking at is the IPv4 address and the standard gateway. The standard gateway is supposedly the router's IP address. So you can just open up a web browser. It can be Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, it can be anything. And just type in the IP 192 as it says 168.0.1. This will take me to my router. There are different passwords for every router, but if you don't know the password, it's a simple Google search away. Pretty much every router has their password somewhere on the internet, assuming you haven't changed it. On some routers there's not even any password, like mine. So I'm just gonna log in, and I'll go to, I think it's advanced, yeah, it's advanced. But this process, as I said before, is different for everyone. But on my router, I need to go to advanced and then port forwarding. But it's port forwarding you'll be thinking about when you're accessing your router. You need to find out where you can port forward. It might not look at all like this, but the principles are the same. So next step will that be to look at this window again and look at the IPv4 address. This address is the address of your computer. It's unique for your own computer, and it's different for every computer that's on your internet. So it's 192.168.0 and 102. It's usually the last part here that gets changed from every computer. So just remember that address, or just keep this open as I do. Locate the port forwarding site on your router. Somewhere it says you have to do it with an application instead of port forwarding, but I'm not going to go into that. But you need to specify a name nevertheless, I think, either way. Or sometimes you can choose it from a list of games and such, but I don't think mine is listed, so I'm just gonna write Minecraft server here, as I've already done. And then for Minecraft you need some ports to be opened. To show you how I found this out, I can just open my Minecraft server folder, and you can, this properties file that you should have now, you can just click on edit, and you can see here server port. I think you can change this port actually, but I wouldn't recommend it unless you're certain it will work, as this is the standard and default port for Minecraft. So 25565 will be the port that we need to port forward on both TCP and UDP. So just type this in at wherever it says TCP is and UDP is on your router. Computer name, sometimes you can choose it, so I'll just choose mine, which is that IP right there. If you're unsure about your IP, or you didn't find it, and you have to choose your computer from a list, you can go to your computer and right click it and go to properties, and here you see computer name and then the name. So like that you can simply find the name and choose it from a list. And once you've done that, you just save the settings, make sure it's saved, and activated. Somewhere you have to check a box to make sure this is active. I have some more computers that's also hosting that are inactive, as you can see, but make sure that the one you have made is active, and sometimes you have to do this twice. You have to like port forward twice, once for UDP, once for TCP and one for UDP. It's important that both are done correctly. And once you've done that, save settings and the router will probably restart or just update. It's different. And then once that's finished, you can just exit that, exit this, yeah, and then you can open, oh wait a second. I recommend that you go to portforward.com to find a guide on how to port forward on your router, as this site has a lot of information for every possible router. But I'm not going to show you how to do this because that would be an extreme waste of time, as I would have to go through every router and that's too much. But you can go to Google and search for a program called Port Checker. This is from portforward.com as well, and you can download this, install it. You can simply follow this guide if you're unsure, but I'll show you anyway. And once it's downloaded, you can open it, and in the top here you type in the port you want to check, which will be for Minecraft 25565. Check TCP or UDP. TCP first normally. Press the check me button and it's going to check if the port is open on your computer. As it says here, it's open, so that means I've port forwarded correctly. Make sure to check for UDP as well. And as you can see, it is open. I hope this guide helped you, and if you have any questions or require some extra help, I'm happy to do so. Just leave a message in the comment section, or just send me a private message. If you like this video, make sure to press the like button. Also subscribe if you want to see more. In the next episode I'll be going through the plugins for Minecraft servers. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.